How to screen record on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can screen record on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So iPhone actually has an inbuilt screen recorder which you can use, and it's a really good one. What you'll need to do is you can simply head over to your control panel, and this is the icon that is for screen recording. Now if you do not have it, you can easily get it. It's really simple. All you have to do is edit your control panel. So what you'll do is tap on this plus icon on the top left corner, and after you tap on it, let me do that again, tap on it, and there you should see an option called add a control on the bottom. Tap on that, and after you tap on that, you will see screen recording right here. Tap on it and it should get added right there. Now you can place it wherever you want. I already have one, so I won't be adding that, but that is how you get it if you don't have it on your control center. Now after you do that, what you can do is you can simply tap on this icon to start recording your screen. Now if you want to record your voice as well, you should turn on your microphone. If you don't turn on your microphone, your your voice will not get recorded. So yeah, if you don't want your voice recorded, you can tap on this microphone option to turn it off as well. And to stop recording, you can tap on this stop recording option, or you can tap on the top left corner that has the red lines. And that is how you screen record on iPhone, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.